Sefer Vayikra, Parak Yutes, Pasuk Yutes, speaks about the prohibition of Shatnez, of not wearing wool and linen together. And he bases the prohibition of Shatnez on our Parsha, Parshas Bereishis, on Cain and Abel. Cain brought a korban, he brought an offering from the produce of the ground. That is represented by linen, which comes from flax, which goes from the ground. Abel brought his korban from sheep, wool. Therefore, one is not allowed to combine wool and linen together, because when it happened in Parshas Bereishis, it led to devastating results, to murder, mayhem, and horrific results throughout history on that account. So therefore, the Torah is telling us, be very careful in determining whether to put things together, to make sure they're compatible, to make sure that you don't put two people, two species, anything together, unless they can get along properly, unless they have the proper components for a profound relationship, a good relationship. The exceptions to the prohibition of Shatnez are the mitzvah of tzitzis, where one is allowed to use wool to chelas, on a linen garment. Chelas must be made out of wool. And to b'dei kuna, where the avnate, the belt of the regular Kohen, was made of wool embroidered with, was made of linen embroidered with wool. And obviously the symbolism is that when everybody is focused on Avodas Hashem, such as in the Beis HaMikdash, where the Kohen is devoted to bringing the karbonos and doing the avodah to serve Klal Yisrael and connect them to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And in the midst of tzitzis, when we have the tchela, which is doim yam, yam dom el rakia, rakia dom el kisei kavod, the chelas, the blue, which is similar to the blue of the sea, which is similar to the blue of the sky, which is similar to the blue, so to speak, of God's throne, then everybody is focused on HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Then HaKadosh Baruch Hu and Avodas Hashem becomes the glue which can unite many disparate elements. So whenever we have to get along with somebody, and we're not so sure how to do it, perhaps we're not completely compatible, we have an eitzah, we have an idea to devote ourselves together for Avodas Hashem, to devote ourselves together to remember HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and then we have that unity which is able to transcend even very different Partzufim shonos and Deosem shonos, different faces and different opinions, and bring us together in Uhine Matov Manoim Sheves Achim Gam Yachad, that we should be together with pleasantness, because ultimate pleasantness is the pleasantness of being close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, being devoted to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, being devoted to Avodas Hashem and Kiddush Hashem. May we thus be zocher to bring about the tikkun for the fate of Cain, the original animosity in the Bria, and bring about the Gula b'meir b'yomeinu. Amen.